Tiffany, what you do the other day put me at risk. And it can't happen again. I know you care about Kareem, and I know you long to see him. So I took the risk of bringing him here. Kareem, I know you're probably wondering what you do here. But I know you love my daughter, and I know you mean her well. A lot has been happening, and I know you've been dragged into it, and that is the last thing I would want for you. I know you were wondering where Tiffany is, and if she's okay. That is why I took the initiative to bring you here. But I don't want anyone knowing where Tiffany is. And Tiffany, I don't want you leaving this house again. You hear me? Everything will be explained to you. I'm going to give you some time to talk. I'm going to the restroom.
Excuse?
I know where you come from.
Bossy, how that thing go work? When Mr. Mullins say we offer everything, what that mean?
It means we offer everything. You know, so we work strictly by orders.
But bossy, see after the year.
Tiffany, I'm confused. What really are going on?
Your girlfriend was there?
Girlfriend? Which girlfriend you are talking about?
Your big butty shopkeeper girlfriend Kareem. Now come on and come tell me if you idiot. I see the two on over there. Remember my plan for recruit her. So yes, she have to do you.
Big body. Tony are just my friend Tiffany. And soon to be co-worker. And oh, you know, say me there shop. You a spy for me. So at this how you go? From me carry go airport 3 weeks after me not hear back from you. No call, no text, and people tell me say you get kidnapped. Police interrogate me. Much people tell me say, oh, you're missing off of the earth and me. I wonder which part you there. I know you accused me for woman. You did know say I was listed as a suspect in your kidnapping.
We find evidence, you know. The little girl answered the phone. So, I don't understand why my did it so.
Whisper. I explain something to you. We broke every rule in the book. Me broke every rule in the book. And I involve you. You think Mr. Mullins never ever know all of what we do?
On a broke rule? Sound in the police?
Tony, you want me to send you in the bedroom?
No, Bubbles, no.
Not to mention, your mother tell me say she want talk to me. And when me look is a bag over my head. Me think me da get assassinated. just for come for you tell me about woman.